So now let's see how we can utilize animated social post inside of guided edit mode. So in order to go around and utilize that, I'm going to go around under the guided tab right here. And over here, you can see that create an animated social post is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click right here, now it says add media right here. And it says click any media to the media source to import your video clips. I'm just going to go around over here and go around onto my video right here, just like this. And just like this, I'm going to go around and select out, let's say, a footage and click on open right here, just like this. So once I do that, it says drag this out onto video clip 1 right here, just like this. And it says learn how to add in motion title to the photo and video and share it on social platform. So I'm just going to go around and click on next, and it says move the playhead to the place where you want the motion title to begin. So let's say right around over here. And then I'm going to go around and click on next, and then I'm going to click on title over here, just like this. So once I do that, you can see that this is a title right here. So let me just go around and drag that in around over here onto the monitor window, just like this. And then that is there. So I'm going to go around over here. It says to select the background of the title, click the highlighted area right here, just like this. And instead of color matte, I'm supposed to select transparent. Then I'm going to click on next, and it says select the text right here. So I'm just going to go around, select out the text right here and add in style to it. So I'm just going to go around and say tube over here, just like this. And I'm going to go around over here onto style, and let's say select out something distinct right here, just like this. So now once that is done, it says select the corresponding text from the monitor window right here, just like this. So click on next, and it says right click on the monitor to select the title name. So I'm just going to go around over here and select this out, and it says resize and move it to different location as you want right here, just like this. Then go around, click on next, and it says drag out the edge of the clip to the beginning of the title right here. So I'm just going to go around and drag that out right here. So then click on next right here, and it says drag the edge of the clip on the end of the title right here. So let's just go around and then drag this out. But let me just go around and resize this out right here because it's too large. So I'm just going to go around and drag it around to the end right here, and then zoom in again. So once you do that, you can see that it says press the play button to see the final preview. And that is what you have, as you can see, an animated text right here. Click on next, and it says click on export and share. So I'm just going to go around and click on export and share. And over here, you can see that social media is an option right here. So what you can do is you can see that it says downloading presets right here, and you can go around and share it out on the social media directly. And once it's loaded, you can see that you can select out resolution right here, just like this, and begin out the share process. And now what you can do is you can authorize YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or Instagram and authorize it and share it right away. And this is how you can go around and utilize the animated social post inside of guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.